Oh my God, Mel. I am so overwhelmed in my life right now. I don't even know what brings me joy. All I do is work and take care of everybody else, and I can't even get through the to-do list, and I know I'm burnt out, and I know joy is missing, and I don't even feel like myself. Just stop. I think you can get so busy in your life just doing the day-to-day and going to work or driving the kids to school or going to school yourself or doing the things that you forget one of the most important things in life. And that is, I've brought 5 powerful questions that I'm going to ask you today. Here's the very first question. Hey, it's your friend Mel, and welcome to the Mel Robbins Podcast. It's always such an honor to be together and to spend time with you. And if you're a new listener or you're here because somebody shared this episode with you, well, first of all, I just wanted to take a moment and personally welcome you to the Mel Robbins Podcast family. I am so glad that you're here, and I'm especially glad that you chose this episode because this conversation today is just going to be you and me. No experts, no in-depth interviews, just two friends hanging out and answering 5 powerful questions together. That's what I want to do. I want to do something simple. I want you and I to just hit pause. Pause on the chaos of life, the to-do lists, the bills, the emails, the kids, the headlines, the groceries, all of it. And instead, I just want to check in with you. I want to check in with myself. I was so excited to have this conversation with you that I woke up this morning. I did what I always do in terms of my fast and easy morning routine. And as soon as I was done taking my walk, I raced right up here. I'm still in my exercise clothes. I'm still like up with my exercise hair right now. If you're watching on YouTube, you can see it. I am straight from doing my morning routine because I just wanted to talk to you. There are 5 questions that I'm going to ask you today. And these are questions that will help you and me reflect on where you are right now, where you are mentally, emotionally, physically, maybe even spiritually. And there's 2 reasons why I wanted to do this. Well, first of all, I have really missed hanging out with you. When this podcast started almost 2.5 years ago, holy cow, it just started out as you and me. I would sit here behind the microphone, either in my closet outside my bedroom or here above the garage in southern Vermont, and we would just talk like 2 friends going on a walk. The microphone, my house in Vermont, you and me. But holy cow, this podcast has grown so much in the past 2.5 years that I just kind of felt like maybe we should go back and do a conversation like we used to, something super simple. And so that's what you and I are going to do today. We're going to, like friends, just check in with one another. And the second reason why I wanted to have this conversation, why I wanted to ask you these 5 powerful questions, is because I know in my life, when I take the time to pause, when I take the time to reflect, when I ask myself questions that make me stop and get clear, it's pretty amazing the revelations that you have. It's pretty awesome how quickly, when you slow down, you can gain clarity. You see what needs to change. I mean, you're not an idiot. You know the things that are working in your life and the things that you know could be a little bit better. And today, we're just going to take a look at that. You know what's working. You know what brings you joy and what drains you. But it's so easy to get caught up in the busyness. And so today is going to be one of those conversations like a walk with a great friend. You're going to feel so much better when you're done. You're going to gain clarity.